Hello everyone, let's go ahead and connect the Redmi Buds 8 Lite to your iPhone. Now it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to put your earbuds onto the charging case of Redmi, which will go ahead and look something like this. And then what you want to do, you just want to leave the lid open. So just go ahead and open it up, making sure that the earphones are powered on. And right after, you just want to press the small button right beside the charging case of the Redmi right here. And from there, after holding it for around 2 seconds, the light will then rapidly flash. Now, this means that basically the earbuds is on pairing mode. So you just want to head over to the settings of your iPhone, navigate through Bluetooth, add device, and from there you will be able to see the Redmi Buds 8 Lite. And so guys, that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.